Hello everyone and welcome back to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix lag and boost FPS on your Skate 4 game so you can land your tricks smoothly. Now the process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's begin. Now before we touch any setting, it's important to remember that Skate 4 is still in early access. That means the game isn't fully finished yet, so some performance issues are actually the game's fault, not your computer's. However, the best way to combat these is to make sure your hardware is ready. Now, whether you use an NVIDIA or AMD graphics card, you need to go to their official website or app and update the GPU drivers to the absolute latest version. Since this is a new game, these updates often contain specific fixes just for Skate 4 as well, so remember to update your graphics drivers. Now let's jump into the game to tweak the settings, and we'll start with the basics. What you do is just simply open your settings menu, go to the gear option at the top right corner. Over here, just simply click on the Settings tab, then just simply go to the Graphics tab. And the first thing that you have to change over here is Disable VSync, which you can see right over here. Now this feature tries to sync your frames to your monitor to stop tearing, but it often adds input lag and limits FPS, so turning this feature off usually makes the game feel snappier instantly. The next section is where we are going to see the biggest performance gain, so we are going to change how the game handles resolution. Just simply scroll down and we will find an option called Dynamic Resolution. Now if you're really struggling with lag, turn this on. It lowers the quality slightly during intense movement to keep your game smooth, and I recommend setting the resolution scale to something around 90 or 80. Next is the upscaling. So you definitely want to turn this on, and I recommend using FSR, which works on most cards now. And for the mode, try to stick with quality or balanced to avoid performance mode unless you have to, as it can make the game look a bit blurrier. Now finally, for the rest of the visual settings, we need to lower the load on your graphics card. So scroll down into the General Graphics section, and over there you should be able to see the Global Graphics Quality. Keep it at low, as you can see right over here. Now if you scroll down a little bit more, you will be able to see texture filtering. Again, use low for these settings as well. The same goes for lighting and shadows as well. Now if you want, you can keep the mesh quality a little high, as you can see right here, or you can always choose low. It's totally up to you. Now after all these settings, the game might not look as good as it used to, but you will get much higher frame rates and the lag will be much less. So that's it. Now you know the best settings to run Skate 4 smoothly without any lag. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.